These giant and juicy M&S King cherries are in season, so it's time to make my dessert of the summer, my King cherry and apple parcels. Get some diced Granny Smiths into a saucepan with sugar, vanilla, cinnamon and lemon juice and let them simmer. Add your halved King cherries and cook until they're softened. Then mix corn flour with water. Pour it into the pan and stir well. Once it's thickened, transfer the apple and cherry filling to a tray and leave it to cool. Lightly flour your M&S all butter puff pastry on both sides and roll it out so it's even. Cut the pastry down the middle lengthways, then cut each strip into 3 even-sized squares. Brush the outer edges with egg wash. Then spoon the filling onto one half of each square. Fold the other half of the square over the filling. Then seal the edges with a fork. Trim the edges to neaten them. Brush each parcel with egg wash and sprinkle them evenly with demerara sugar. Make 2 little slits in the middle of each parcel, then put them in the oven until they're crisp and deep golden brown. Serve them while they're still warm with a big scoop of M&S Cornish clotted cream vanilla ice cream. Sweet with a touch of sharpness and oh so crispy. These little delights won't stick around for long. I've got loads more recipes using the best of British produce from the M&S farms I've been visiting. So stay tuned for more tasty ideas.